Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix can't install WhatsApp error on Google Play Store. So if you can't download WhatsApp on your device, first thing you're gonna do, try to resetting up your phone, because the problem may be in your phone and it may be fixed by restarting your phone. If it doesn't help you, go to your device settings, or you can just press and hold Play Store. If you want to go by device settings, go to app management, and find here Google Play Store. First force stop, then go to your storage usage. Usually in this problem you can just clear cache, but if this doesn't help you, you can clear data. Clear all your data and you will log out from your account, then log in again, and it should be working. But if this also doesn't help you, go to permissions and make sure you allowed all of this. If you can download WhatsApp, it also may be a problem. Then if this doesn't help you, go to WhatsApp official website, and you can download WhatsApp just here, but it will open your Google Play. So you're gonna scroll down, all the way down, and try to contact WhatsApp themselves, WhatsApp Messenger support. And contact them. I can just write them that you can download WhatsApp and what you can do to download it, and they will try to help you. So I hope this video helped you. If you also find it helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one.